So the training that I've received in Puerto Rico here has been spectacular, way beyond my expectations. Everything is just explained to me. It's easily understandable. I feel like I can teach this to, and I plan on teaching this to my daughter. She's 20, so I'll get her going with it, but it's very doable. Cherif trains everything he does in each line, whether it's the JV partnership or the asset protection, everything is a win-win situation. So you're gonna win, he's gonna win, everybody's gonna win, and he cares. You completely care, and I can tell, and I appreciate that. And it's been so much fun. Every question that I've had or even thought of having, you've answered everything for me, and I feel like this is definitely something that I am going to go to Sacramento, back home, and make everything happen. I'm just overwhelmed with how excited I am, because I really feel like this is going to be a game changer for me and my family. Thank you, Cherif.